Okay, so when you think about tools, a new tool, new technology is drones. So we have new exhibitor Fulcrum here, and we have Will Schlall, and he's going to tell us about how he's using drones as tools to help increase safety and help the line process.
Great, thank you. Yeah, my name's Will. I'm representing Fulcrum Air. We're happy to be at the IP Safety Conference today for the first time. Proud to showcase our heavy lift drone and aerial robot. This is the Mini Linefly. Its purpose, and our purpose as a company, is to replace traditionally hazardous operations in the power line environment with automated, unmanned aerial robotics and heavy lift drones there. So we offer a number of different applications. This one in particular installs bird flight diverters. We have a couple other exciting projects on the go, one of which installing dual line spacers, lead line stringing, and also the installation of fire mitigation wrap for wood poles. So like Kurt said, we're excited to bring this new technology on and offer its safety enhancements to the power line industry.
Yeah, so rather than extend a bucket extremely high up in the air, this is an alternative.
Right, yeah.
That sounds great. Well, thanks for being here. And tell us how people can get a hold of you to learn about this new technology.
Sure, thank you. So you can get a hold of us by visiting our website, fulcrumair.com.